Most SwiftUI tutorials teach ask all different types of questions. Class, you can. So before we start building, I've added a free complete SwiftUI project. We've got reusable chips. Now let's use it to build a fully study control panel. Quick bonus, before we start building, I've added a free complete SwiftUI project in the description. You can download it, open it in Xcode and study how the finished iOS app is structured. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more real SwiftUI app builds, and comment below what iOS app you'd like me to build next. This view doesn't own the selected category or study mode. The parent passes both values in, so the control panel stays reusable. The view reports selection changes back through closures, instead of mutating features state directly. Because the enum is case iterable, the UI is generated from the available categories instead of being hard-coded. Each chip derives its selected appearance from the state the parent already owns. The study mode rows uses the exact same composition pattern. Xcode crashed, so I had to restart the simulator. We need to add 2 more brackets here to the end. Next thing we need to do is to enable our preview to work. We will assign architecture, and for the study modes, code review. You also need to apply a body, and now I'll just copy the rest of the code for the preview. Paste it in here. And then we just return our demo. That should be demo. And then the preview should be visible. Let me compile it again. Missed out the keyword var. Now it should work. And this is what you should have at the end of the implementation for this episode.